Hi Manasvi, how are you?
Hi Shreyash, I am fine. What about you?
I am great.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
For what?
Do you know there is singing competition in our school?
No, I don't know.
There is singing competition and I have participated in it.
When is singing competition?
On 1st June at 11 am.
Can I participate in competition?
Yes, you can participate.
What is the process of participating?
Meet to teacher and give your name and fees also.
Yes, I will give my name, but can I come with you to practice?
Yes, you can.
Oh, thank you.
Most welcome.